Kidney disease is often called a silent killer because it can progress quietly until it reaches a critical stage. Early detection is crucial, but unfortunately, many people do not realize they have kidney issues until it is too late. This underscores the importance of research that offers hope for kidney regeneration and proactive measures to maintain kidney health. An NIH-funded research published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation took an unconventional approach. Instead of focusing on why diseased kidneys fail to regenerate, the team, led by Dr. JANOS PETERDI, a University of Southern California stem cell scientist, investigated how healthy kidneys evolved to repair themselves. Their focus turned to a small population of cells in the Macula Densa region of the kidney, MD. These MD cells sense salt levels and play a vital role in various kidney functions. The researchers wondered if these cells might also be key to the kidney's natural regenerative abilities. The researchers tested this theory by studying the effects of a very low-salt diet combined with an angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitor on laboratory mice. The results were impressive. Significant regenerative activity was observed in the MD region, which could be blocked by interfering with MD signals. This strongly suggested that MD cells play a critical role in orchestrating kidney regeneration. Further analysis revealed surprising similarities between mouse MD cells and nerve cells, both genetically and structurally. The scientists identified specific signals from genes that a low-salt diet could enhance to promote kidney regeneration. To explore the therapeutic potential of their findings, the team administered cellular communication network factor 1 and MD cells grown in low-salt conditions to mice with chronic kidney disease. Both approaches showed promise, with MD cell treatment producing the most significant improvements in kidney function and structure. Dr. PETERDI expressed optimism about this new approach to kidney repair, stating, "We are fully convinced that this will hopefully soon result in a very powerful and new therapeutic approach." While these results are promising, further research is needed to see if this approach works in humans. This groundbreaking study paves the way for a new direction in chronic kidney disease treatment by harnessing the body's natural regenerative potential. The future of kidney disease treatment might be on the horizon. Meanwhile, reducing salt intake remains a proactive step everyone can take to support kidney health. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on groundbreaking health research. Stay healthy.